on this video. Jae Wook, Jun Young, and Hong Soo-ju are the stars of The Impossible. Here's executing a confidence in their chemistry with each other. The drama will narrate the tale of three underdogs and who united to challenges Korea's biggest conglomerate. Lee Jae Wook talks on the road of Han Tae-oh, the son of a convicted murderer. Lee Jung-young portrays Kang In-ha, the enigmatic child of a chaebol's chairman, while Hong Soo-ju embodies Na Hye-on, brought by her father's gambling ways. Before filming, commentators the cast of The Impossible here, including Lee Jae Wook and Lee Jun Young and Hong Soo-ju, not only donated together but also embark on Team M trips. Thanks for watching.